Hey, what's up, guys? So this is going to be a quick video. This is one Land Rover build that I've seen a lot, and it's super awesome. So this is Addison with SK Overland, and we're just going to kind of walk around. He's going to show us what he's got. Real quick, I'm going to link some of the photos he's got that I've seen. He actually put snow tracks on this, so he's going to tell us a little bit about it. And yeah. Hey guys, so stay to the end. Our local Ineos dealer brought two amazing new Grenadier builds, and then we'll cover Addison's Land Rover Defender. And again, go to our website, IncaOverlandOutfitters.com, where you'll get the best prices on rooftop tents, campers, recovery gear, cooking, fridges, all that stuff. And make sure to leave a like and a comment. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so it's the 92 Land Rover Defender. I got it, it was a farm truck, had about 255,000 miles, so it's basically everything on it is custom. So we built the cage, we added a couple interesting features. One is this canoe lift. So there's two bars that go right here with a winch on the other side, so we basically can lift and lower the canoe just using a little, just a regular winch that plugs in right here. So that's pretty handy, so I don't have to lift the canoe up. We also have on the top, we have a mount for a 30 cal machine gun. And that's pretty fun when you're out in the woods to fire that from the top.
Damn.
That's a different kind of experience. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty built truck. Again, kind of all custom cage. All the storage in the back is custom. I built the boxes in the back so they're the right height so that when I'm standing on the boxes, I'll be like right behind the machine gun.
Oh, wow.
Got the motorcycle mount, some custom drawers. It's sitting on 35s with lockers front and rear, manually locking center diff. So yeah, it's a pretty fun truck. Definitely fun to cruise in.
Cool. So if we could definitely see you at SK Overland, make sure to go follow him there. And again, this is a nice build. I've seen it. I've seen the Raptor line. This holds up really well. Is it Raptor?
Does. Yeah, it is Raptor liner. This is the third truck I've done Raptor liner. And it's pretty easy because basically just...
It's very forgiving.
It's really forgiving. I mean, for this truck, I did it in my driveway. I just sanded down the whole thing. Masking takes the most amount of time. But sand it down, give it an acetone wipe, and then just blast it on.
Yeah. So, yeah, this is a really dope build. And thank you again, Addison, for showing this to us. And
absolutely.
What other vehicle? You had other vehicles too, right?
A lot.
Yeah.
Well, that 110.
The 110. And
yeah, so that's one of the builds. So the front bumper, the sliders, the snorkel, and the rear bumper are all custom products that we sell, actually. So
let's make this a two-part, not a two-part video, but just it's kind of a short video. So this is a Defender 110, yep. And I know a lot of this is custom. Yep. It's not as easy to modify as like a Jeep, 4Runner, Bronco, that kind of thing.
There's a little more involved. I mean, lots of sensors in the bumper, the camera system, all of that.
So you guys sell the bumper?
Yep. The bumper and the winch mount for this, plus the snorkel. That's also custom. The sliders and the rear bumper with the swing away tire.
Oh, and you have sliders for this too.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, so any Defender 110 guys, if you're looking for an accessory for your 110, this is a really good option. And I'll just tell you, looking at it is very clean. A lot of it follows the body lines. And can they modify it like if they don't want the brush guard, like if they wanted the more seamless kind of?
The brush guard is a bolt-on add-on.
Okay, so that's an add-on.
This actually bolts in from the inside. So we have the A-bar is what we call this. Then there's a full brush guard, which is another option. But we built it. I mean, we wanted to kind of make it look factory. So as opposed to something that's like, hanging the winch out in front or like a lot of extra bar work or really modifying the look. We wanted the front and the rear to look like they could almost come from the factory.
Awesome. Hey, Addison, thanks again for showing this to us. Make sure to check them out, SK Overland. And thank you again for being in this video. Appreciate it.
Indeed.
Hey guys, we're here at Scuttles and Bottles with Inca 4x4. This month is a Land Rover edition. And my name is Olbap. I'm with on Overland 1983 on Instagram with a 0. And today we have one of the reds, the Ineos Grenadier, with their new products.
Oh, my name is John, and this is the Ineos Grenadier.
John, can you tell us a little bit more about your Ineos Grenadier Land Rover here?
Yeah, so this is one of the Grenadiers here. It's pretty much a base that was added a lot of stuff onto it. So it's the Sea Green color, and we also had the picnic table added on. So a pretty cool option. You can drop it down. Holds up 35 pounds to put stuff on it. Utility tracks in the back as well. And all utility flooring, so everything's marine grade. Spray it off with a hose.
Nice.
So this is the BMW B58 inline-6 turbo, and it's paired up to the ZF 8-speed transmission. Really good combo, drives great. They tuned it for all low-end torque on this model compared to what other option this vehicle engine is in. And this one actually had the front winch added on, so a pretty good option you can add on. So integrated front winch. It's all built in, so it's nice and hidden. Right. So this is a Grenadier. It was a base model, but added a lot of different stuff to it. It's got utility tracks on the side. So you've got these quick release tabs you can take on and off, hang whatever you want from them. And this one, we actually also added the rock sliders. So good body protection if you're doing some heavy off-roading. And we added the 17-inch alloy wheels and the BF Goodrich KO2s. Finally, a good thing up here, too, I'll show you, is we added the checker plates. And they're fully functional, so it holds up to 330 pounds. So stand on them, jump on them, whatever you want to do.
Nice.
Okay. Cool. So this was the base model that had a lot of stuff added to it. So we've got the saddle driver's pack. So you get the brown steering wheel, parking brake handle, and a grab handle on the passenger side, wrapped in that nice brown leather. We've also got heated seats, and everything is up on the front here, the speedometer, and you get your creature comforts like wireless Android Auto, CarPlay. But the really cool part of this is up top. So we've got our Safari windows. You can pop them open like this. And the best part about them is you can actually take them all the way out.
Wow.
So easily removable. You'll have a carrying case that comes in the back if you want to take them all the way out. Or just pop them back in. That's it.
Wow, that's super cool.
So extra electrical up here. We've got roofline plugins, LED bars, other lighting on exterior if you want to. This will power those. Everything else is just open pre-wired electrical. This is to power the front winch. We've got diff lockers front and rear added onto this one. A base model would start at about $72,000. This one added on quite a bit of stuff. You're looking more about the $90,000 range. So if you have any questions, you can reach us. We're at Regal Ineos Grenadier in Roswell. My name's John. You can reach Austin or Brian there at the store. We're kind of a small community there, good family oriented. So call us if you have any questions, and we'll get them answered for you.
Perfect.
Great.
That was perfect.
Cool.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Yeah, thanks,
though.
John. I'll edit that, and we have a
Yeah.
Yeah,
Meet you guys.
thank you, man.
we
Thank
do,
you.
like year review.
Oh, cool.
Calls